class 8. Today I will teach you exercise 9b compound interest. So, dear student, in previous exercise I taught you about simple interest and what is the difference between simple interest and compound interest. See, in simple interest, suppose that principal is rupees 100. Okay, then principal 200 rupee 100 rupees time 2 years and rate 10% per annum. So I am telling you simple interest. SI equal to P R T upon 100. SI 100 into R 10 T 2 upon 100. 0 means rupees 20. It is for CI. For SI means simple interest. Now for compound interest CI, principal equal to rupee, principal is same, rate is same, time is same for CI. So for first year, CI only you write CI for first year. Interest equal to PRT upon 100. In compound interest, we find 1 year's interest. Okay, principal 100, rate 10, time 1 upon 100, 10. Then this is interest for 1 year. So amount at the end of first year equal to principal 100 plus 10 equal to rupees 110. Then for second year, now principal will be this rupees 110 and rate is same, time is 1 year because second year time is 1 year. Then interest equal to PRT upon 100 means 110 into R10 into 1. Second year means 1 year. Second year means duration. Second year means 1 year duration and rate into time upon 110 into 10 into 1 upon 100. 0 cancel. It is rupees 11. So it is interest at the end of second year. Interest for second year. And now amount at the end of second year. Amount at the end of second year equal to 110 plus 11 rupees 121. Now this is amount at the end of 2 year, means at the end of second year. Now from the amount at the end of second year, this is amount. Now CI compound interest equal to amount minus principal. Amount 121 minus 100, it is rupees 21. This is compound interest and simple interest 20 we got. So like this, in step method we'll find here compound interest in this exercise. Okay, for first year, for second year, for third year, like this. Okay, and now I told you that example. Now I will start from question number 1. Find the amount and compound interest on rupees 4,000 at 12% per annum for 2 years compounded annually. So for first year, principal equal to rupees 4,000, rate equal to 12% per annum, time 1 year for first year. Here it is asking find the amount and compound interest on rupees 4,000 at 12% per annum for 2 years compounded annually. 1 year. Then interest SI equal to or interest equal to interest PRT upon 100. It is 4,000 or 12 times 1 upon 100, 0,000 rupees 480 interest. So amount at the end of 1 year, amount at the end of 1 year equal to principal plus interest. Amount principal 4,000 and interest 480. It is 4,480 rupees amount. For second year, principal is this amount at the end of first year will be principal for second year rupees 4,480 and rate is same and time is 1 year. Second year means again I am telling 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 year, 1 year here, 1 year here, 1 year, 1, 2. This is 2. These are 2 years. Total 2 years, but duration second year means this. This is second, this is first. Okay. So second year duration 1 year. Okay. Then interest equal to PRT upon 100. P 4,480 into R 12 into 1 upon 100 equal to 12,000. 12 8 is 96, carry 9, 12 4 is 48, 9 57, carry 5, 12 4 is 48, 5 53 upon 100. Now it is 5376012. After 2 digit in left side you put decimal. Then this is interest at the end of second year. Now amount at the end of second year. Principal plus interest, it is 4,480 plus 537.60. 537.60. Now we will 8.60, 7, 3, 8, 11, 10 rupees. Amount is rupees 5,017 rupees 60 paise. This is amount. Okay. Now we have to find compound interest. What is the compound interest for 2 years? CI for 2 years equal to CI for 2 years equal to amount minus principal 5,017.60 minus 4,000 rupees 1,017.60. This is the answer. For Maria invests rupees 93,750 at 9.6% per annum for 3 years and the interest is compounded annually. Calculate the amount standing to her credit at the end of second year. And second part the interest for third year, third part the compound interest for the 3 years. So principal equal to rupees 93,750. Our rate is 9.6% per annum. Time is 3 years for first year. For first year, interest equal to, for first year is the method we will find, because it is asking the interest, the amount standing to her credit at the end of the second year. So first we will find the interest for first year. So PRT upon 100, 93,750 into 9.6 into time 1 year. For first year, at the place of t we will put 1 on this. Now remove decimal here, 0. Now we will multiply 93,700, this cancel, 0 0. Okay, into 96, 6 5 are 30, 3 6 7 are 42, 3 45, carry 4, 6 3 are 18, 4 22, carry 2, 6 9 are 54, 2 56. Now 9 5 are 45, carry 4, 9 7 are 63, 67, carry 6, 9 3 are 27, 33, 9 9 are 81, 84, plus 3 84, 0, 10, 10, 10, 10, 9. It is 9. 5 zeros will increase, 1 2 3 4 5 upon 100, cancel. Now it is 9,000. It is 9,000 rupees. Okay, now for second year. Now amount at the end of first year equal to principal plus interest. Principal 93,750 plus 9,057, then 4 digit, 10,000 digit, 12, this. Okay, now for this is amount for second year. For second year, interest equal to PRT upon 100. P means 1,02,750 into 9.6 into 1,02,750 into 9.6 into 1 upon 100. Now remove the decimal, here is 0, this cancel. Now we will multiply 9 point, this 1,02,750, 10,275 by 96, multiply 6 5 are 30, 3 6 7 are 42, 45, 4 6 2 are 12, 16, 4 16, 6 1 are 6. Now by 6 6 5 are 45, 6 7 are 63, 67, carry 6 6, 9 2 are 18, 6 24, 9 1 are 9. Now 0 0, 5 5 10, 6 7 14, 1 6 7 13, 1 14, then 6 8 9. It is 9,000, 986400 upon 100. This cancel. Then it is equal to rupees 9,864. Now amount at the end of second year equal to principal plus interest. Principal 1,02,750 plus 9,864, and this 4 6 5 11 carry 1 8 9 16 18 10 12 and 1 is 1,12,614. Now for third year, the amount at the end of second year will work as a principal for third year. Rate is same and time duration is 1 for third year. Principal equal to rupees 1,12,614. Interest equal to PRT upon 100. 1,12,614 into 9.6 into 1 upon 100. Now we will multiply. We will multiply 1,12,614 by 9.6. 96. 6 for the 24, 2, 6 1 the 6 to 8, 6 8 is 6 6 the 36, carry 3, 6 2 the 12, 3 15, carry 1, 6 1 the 6 1 7, 6 1 the 6, 9 6 for the 36, carry 3, 9 1 the 9, 12, carry 1, 9 6 the 54, 55, carry 5, 9 2 is 18, 5 23, carry 2, 9 1 is 9, 11, carry 1, 9 1 is 9, 1 10, 4 14, 9 10, 11, 7 8 0. Now 108,109,44 upon 1000. Now divide, only you place decimal 1 2 3. This is interest amount 2 3 1 2 3. Here we will place the decimal. Okay, then amount at the end of third year equal to P plus I. P 1,12,614 plus 10,810.944. Now it is 0.9444 112 8 6 14 1 1 0 1 plus 2 3 1 1 2 and 1. Now this is amount. Then CI, compound interest for 3 years. CI for 3 years equal to amount minus principal. Amount 1,23,424.944 minus this 93,750. Now we will subtract 1,23,424.944 93,750 94447 136 9 then 2 this 29,674.944 rupees. This is the answer.